pahinga. Dito ka muna siya. Next! Who's next? Rhea. After niya, ano? Alright, now the time to beat is 18 seconds ha. 18 ang mataas. Ready, Ilmas, go!
Happy birthday, Sean!
Ayan, 14 lang eh. Thank you very much. Still, the time to beat is 18 seconds. Who's next? Susunod. Sige yan. Try mo lang. Try mo lang.
Si Luis.
Kaya yan. 18 seconds ha. Alunin mo yung 18 seconds kaya. 1, 2, 3, Luis, go!
Happy birthday, Sean!
Sige, sino ba gusto na? Challenge at 31 seconds. Dali, sayang. Sige. Si Jay, halika, try mo lang. Try mo lang, sige. 31 seconds, kaya mo yan. Just all you have to do is to relax, take a deep breath, and shout out, say. Huwag ka lang sumigaw para hindi masyado yung power. Ayan, ready, go.
Happy birthday, Sean!
8 seconds lang eh. Sige, dalawa na. Dalawa na lang. Foul. Si foul nyo. And after, sige, try mo lang. Try mo lang. Yung foul nyo, ready ka na? Go!
Happy birthday, Sean!
Thank you very much. And last contestant, try mo lang ate. Dali. Dali, clear. Malay mo, matalo mo yung 31 seconds. Sa stage, on the microphone. Go!
Happy birthday, Sean!
It's okay. So, you are the winner, Luis. Alright, he was able to do it in 30 seconds, 21 seconds. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Okay, now, it's time for the birthday boy to blow his birthday candle. Sige, ang gawin natin yung cake, dahil na lang natin dito, ha? Okay? And of course, joining us, let's welcome back SpongeBob Mascot. Palapakan natin si SpongeBob. And lahat ng kids, I want you to please gather here. Lahat ng kids, hindi lahat ng kids dito. Where's Daddy and Mommy? SpongeBob, where are you? Oh, wait ka na. Dadaan muna yung cake. Sige. Okay, Mommy and Daddy, please join the birthday boy. Please join the birthday boy. Asan si Daddy? Daddy naman. Okay, lahat ng kids gather here. And we're going to sing happy birthday for the birthday boy, for Sean. Bibigyan ko ng prize yung pinakamalakas kumanta ng happy birthday for Sean. Okay? Pwede po pakisindihan ng ating birthday cake. Saan naman yung ating lighter? Diyan na po ba? Can we have the lighter please? Okay, wait muna ha. Sindihan natin yung ating candle. I think we have to turn up the